Hi, boys and girls. It's Miss Holler. Today we're going to work on page 751, the problem solving page. Our strategy today is going to be draw a diagram. So, our first problem is Lila drew a shape. The shape has 6 sides. It also has 6 angles. What shape did she draw? So, we're going to underline what we know. We know that she drew a shape, and we know that the shape has 6 sides and has 6 angles. And we're going to circle what we need to know and what shape did Lila draw. Then we're going to make a plan, and we're going to solve the problem. We're going to think in our brain about how many sides the different shapes have, and then you're going to draw a diagram, and we're going to draw this picture here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, because it has 6 sides and it has 6 angles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So what is that shape? Well, it's kind of crazy looking shape for Miss Holler that I drew today, but it is, do you know? It's a hexagon. It is a hexagon. I hope you said that. Hexagon. Okay, you can write that on the line as well. Now, on number 4 is for you to make sure that you are checking your answer with something that makes sense. Is it reasonable? Is the answer smart? So if I would have said a circle, would that be a smart answer at all? Because it says it has 6 sides. A circle doesn't even have any sides. So you need to make sure that your answer is always reasonable. All right, turn to the next page. It says Marcy drew a shape. It has 5 sides and it has 5 angles. What shape did she draw? So we know that Marcy drew a shape. We know that it has 5 sides and has 5 angles. And they want to know, what shape did she draw? What shape did she draw? Sorry, I kind of couldn't see that very well. What shape did she draw? So we are going to plan and solve the problem. We're going to draw it. So 5 sides. Let's see here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What shape do I have here? It's almost like a square, but it's not. I hope you said pentagon. Marcy, she drew a pentagon. Ooh, that was a crazy A, wasn't it? Kind of looks like a D. Sorry, boys and girls. I got crazy handwriting with this, with my mouse and my trackpad. So, is my answer reasonable? Yes, because it has 5 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's not like a circle or something that has lots of different sides and angles as well. Let's check to make sure we have 5 angles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yep. Good. Let's take a look at our first problem. If a shape has 3 sides and 3 angles, what shape is it? So it says 3 sides and 3 angles. Draw the shape. That's what they want us to do. 3 sides. 1, 2, 3. Ooh, not the best drawing there. Sorry, boys and girls. It is a triangle. It says, this is the question, what shape is it? And to draw the shape. Number 2, Abby draws a triangle. Samuel draws a shape that has 1 more side than a triangle. What shape did Samuel draw? Draw the shape. Well, here's 3 side. That's the triangle. That's what Abby drew. She drew a triangle. And Sam draws a shape that has 1 more side. So what shape do we all know that has would have to have? This has 1, 2, 3 sides, so it'd have to have 4 sides. So what shape do we know that has 4 sides? The one I know the easiest is a square. Now, there are other ones as well. Could be parallelogram. It could be a trapezoid. It could be a rectangle. Whatever you're interested in drawing, you may draw. Number 3, Jason drew a shape that has more sides than a triangle or rectangle, but less sides than a hexagon. What shape did he draw? So first we need to figure out how many sides does a triangle or a rectangle have. A triangle has 3 and the rectangle has 4. So it's got to be more than 4 sides, but less than a hexagon. Hexagon. How many does a hexagon have? Hexagon is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Wow, that's a really bad hexagon, Miss Holler. I think I have to try that again, boys and girls. I'm going to try it one more time. Maybe actually I can find one right here. Yeah. Perfect. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it has to have 6. So what number is right here? What number comes between 4 and 6? I hope you chose 5. And now I want you to think in your head. What shape have we talked about that has 5 sides? Oh, I can see it right there. 5 sides. It reminds me of a birdhouse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Anyone remember what that's called? It's a pentagon. I hope you got that right in your head or said it out loud. All right, we're going to try these next few. Number 4, Tammy saw a 2-dimensional, 2D shape. The shape has 6 sides and 6 angles. 2 of the sides are longer than the others. What shape did Tammy see? 6 sides, 6 angles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Sorry, that's really bad again. I should go over here and steal it from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What's that called again? I hope that you said a hexagon. Oh boy. There you go. Number 5, the sign at the end of David Street is a 2-dimensional shape. It has 4 sides and 4 angles, and the sides are all the same length. What shape is the sign? So it says that the sign is 2D. It's a 2-dimensional shape. It has 4 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. Has 4 angles. 1, 2, 3, 4. What shape is the sign? I hope you said square, because that is the correct answer. Square. Number 6. Jason was drawing shapes with sidewalk chalk in the park. He threw he drew 3 triangles and then 2 squares. How many angles did he draw? 3 triangles. So let's think about that. 3 triangles. How many would that be for 3 triangles? First triangle would be 3 sides. Second triangle would be 3. And the third triangle would be 3. So 3 plus 3 plus 3, and then 2 squares. How many sides does a square have? I hope you said 4. And then we have to do 4 because that's how many angles a square has too. So he drew 3 triangles and 2 squares. How many angles did he draw? 3 for the triangles and 4 for the squares. So 3 plus 3 is, I hope you said 6, and 6 plus 3 is 9. Who can tell me if we need to add 4 more onto 9, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and then 4 more onto 13, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So our answer is that we have 17 angles. So it's important for us to make sure that we keep practicing all the different 2D shapes that we have, because tomorrow we're going to take a little quiz on it. I want you to make sure that you pay attention to all the ones that we don't use as often as like the circle and the square, because you already know those. So tonight for homework, you have page 755 and 756. It's a pretty simple homework, only a couple problems. So good luck, and I know you'll do great.